want to create a new custom location in Life360? Let's set it up easily. First, open Life360 app on your device and tap Places at the bottom. Then hit the add or plus button. Move the map to the place you want. Drop the pin, name the location, and set the alert size if you want automatic notification when someone arrives or leaves. Finally, tap save and your custom spot is ready. Keep the circle size small for more accurate alerts, especially for homes or workplaces. If the pin is not dropping correctly, zoom in closer to pinpoint the exact address. What's your first custom location gonna be? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.